So ang importante is yung retrieval time.
Okay, with me right now are
Yung retrieval time.
Mea
And
and Renee from Cebu City. Okay, and briefly guys, tell me what your project is all about. I see a red car here, so it must have something to do with it.
it is our security differential operative prototype, and it is a car alarm system.
Okay.
It is a secondary car alarm system, which means we do not suggest that we do away with the commercialized car alarm systems we have in the market.
So, like I asked you a while ago, why need a secondary alarm in the first place?
There are times when the primary alarm system would fail because we've learned that they would use the false codes
Okay.
and frequency, and of course if there are many cars, it is possible that they'd be sharing frequencies. So
Okay.
once even if it's not my possession, and then I learned that I had the same frequency with that car once I use it, his entire car alarm system would be deactivated, and
Okay.
I can gain access to his car and take his receipt.
Okay.
So with this primary alarm system,
Okay.
it would prevent that. This secondary alarm system,
Okay.
rather, it would protect that.
Okay.
This is an active car alarm system, which means
Okay.
it should be manually turned on and turned off
Okay.
by the owner,
Okay.
and personalized in a sense that the owner has his choice of whether which part of the car he wants, what
Okay.
circuit he wants,
Okay.
how long the time of delay would be.
Okay. So maybe Renee, can you tell me what are the materials that you use for this one?
First we use a toy car
To simulate the alarm. Okay.
with the circuits. Then we have a remote control, a cellular phone.
Okay.
I touched it.
Okay.
Yes. Then we have circuits here,
Okay.
which can be bought anywhere in the
Okay.
electronic shops.
Okay. So how do you activate or deactivate the alarm?
Limit sentences on
Just by
the
the switch.
Oh, okay.
We use a switch, and when the owner turns off the switch, it has a time delay of around. Actually, you can choose how long
Okay.
the time delay would be. The purpose of this time delay is for the person or the owner to be able to get out of the car
Okay.
without having to trigger the door sensors.
Okay. Okay. I'm actually curious. I asked you a while ago why need a secondary alarm. I mean, where did the idea come from? I mean, in Cebu ba, do you have a lot? Do you hear a lot of incidents where the alarm failed and then cars get robbed or something like that?
The secondary car alarm system would be very applicable for the high-end cars, but we also want to help the society. So this will be very applicable to locally manufactured cars,
Okay.
like taxis, jeepneys.
Okay.
So this is very affordable. And
So this can also be a primary alarm.
for those cars which are deprived from having
Okay.
a car alarm system.
So how do you think this is how much cheaper is this from the commercial car alarm system?
I think it's very much cheaper because the circuits that we use here, or the components we use for the circuits, are very affordable and
Yes.
easily available from electronic shops all around the vicinity.
Okay.
And the cell phone doesn't necessarily have to
Yes.
be a very expensive one.
Okay.
And I believe that if you want to protect your car,
Yes.
the cost wouldn't be.
Okay. Okay. So, do you have plans of, installing your system in a real car?
Yes, hopefully we would get the chance to install it in a real car because its effectivity,
Okay.
its efficiency after the competition. In fact, after the competition, people
Yes.
have have it installed in their car already.
Oh, okay. So, how old are you guys again?
I'm
16. But you guys don't drive yet.
No.
Not yet.
Ah.